Welcome to Printing United, day one.
Thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely. You have a product I'm interested in.
Yes.
All right. It is called the Apex, which is your line of flatbed cutters, the Apex M series.
Yes. So we're standing in front of here.
Yeah,
Yep.
I'm assuming the M means magnetic.
It does. Yep.
Okay, so you have a new magnetic linear drive. Tell me a little bit about it, and tell me why would a customer look at a magnetic linear drive versus a traditional pinion drive?
Sure. So linear drive is going to be smoother.
Okay.
It's going to be faster.
Got it.
It's going to be quieter.
Yep.
And it's a lot less maintenance overall life of the
Four
machine.
key points that give you some advantages with the linear drive.
Yep.
Okay, so that makes complete sense on why someone would want that.
Yes.
All right, now the other thing I noticed about it, at least reading some of the literature, is you have a full 7-bit changer.
Yes, we do.
Which is right there.
Yep. So on the machine, it's got a 7-bit router tool changer.
Right.
So in one job, you can technically have 7 different profiles or cuts.
Okay, so you can effectively set up completely, almost for the year. Really, because you're not likely to use that many outside of that. Have everything ready, have all your templates done, and just have it all automated with a crazy fast, whisper quiet, full-on flatbed cutter.
Absolutely. Yep.
Okay, so your tool changer, I love that because I like ease of use and I like efficiency. I don't want to change the tools out and change all. It just takes time.
It's a waste of time.
It is a waste of time. The other thing about it I notice is the vacuum is quiet. See, we're shooting a live shot, and they're like, hey, normally they're like, turn off the equipment, don't run it because it makes too much noise.
Yeah.
And
right
my
now,
cameraman's like, go ahead and run it, it's fine.
Yep, the vacuum's running right now. It's holding that board in place.
The vacuum's running.
Yes. It's a new style of vacuum we're bringing in. It is quieter,
right,
and it is more vacuum. It is more suction to hold your pieces.
Okay, so you have an upgraded vacuum, you've rethought it a little bit, and man, it is really quiet.
Yeah, it is.
So that's really great. I like a quiet machine, a lot of this stuff, because, you know, especially with the industrial grade. So this really is capable of finishing almost anything.
Yeah, really. Anything in your sign and display industry, as I like to call it, kiss cut, through cut vinyl lettering, and decals and stickers, all the way through, let's say, 1-inch acrylics.
1-inch acrylics.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you also, when you do the installation, I have people I know that have the space,
yes,
but they don't have the opening. They don't have the lift door. They're going in through a door.
Yeah.
And one of the things I knew about this is its installation can be modularly broken down, and you can bring it in and reassemble it completely.
It does ship in a set of smaller crates that can fit through a regular man door, so we can bring it into just about any environment.
Good.
Being quiet, it can be in just about any environment.
Right.
And it's a very simple installation.
You guys appear to have this that it can be purchased in different sizes depending on what the customer needs. So really scalable, modular, any size you want.
Yeah, we could start at, say, a 5x5 machine.
Right.
In this case, it's 5x10.
Which is standard. Most
very
people
standard
go there,
size,
yeah.
Yep. Or 5x8, that's another standard format for
That
us.
is a very standard.
They all come with conveyor belts.
Okay.
So you can do your roll-fed goods or your board goods.
You have some safety features that I really dig about this. Number one, especially when you increase speed with these linear drives, I don't want anybody to route their hand.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And you don't have a lot of room for error when this thing's moving quick.
That's true.
So you have proximity sensors that not only are on here, but you have them where you can adjust them on how you want them on the bed.
Yep. There are proximity sensors all the way around the machine. So if you get too close to it or it gets too close to you, it's going to pause the job.
Yeah.
You're not going to lose the job. It's going to pause it for you. And then you can pick up and it'll just run past that.
I don't want to stop the whole job. I don't want to start over. I just want to pause and double check.
You can actually pause it, move the gantry out of the way, check your cut, and hit that same button. It comes back and takes off right where it left off.
Okay, cool. Now those proximity sensors, I tried those a little earlier. That works great. He's like, go ahead, put your hand out there, and boom, it stops right away. So
yeah, it doesn't even touch you. Yep.
All right, software. Software is key.
Yes.
Everything with finishing equipment is part of a workflow.
Usually,
and that's what I love about CUTWORX is you guys are workflow focused because people forget. They go out and do all this R&D on their printers, and they forget you got to do software on the front end, and then you have to have finishing equipment on the back end, and all of those pieces have to work at the same in a harmony and make sense together.
Yes.
You guys are the finishing end, but you're also the software that drives it. So you have some software that's proprietary on the machines, but you also work with some of the best software companies in the world, and one in particular struck me as Focus.
The cutting software integrates with all the common RIPs, just like usual, to import files and export files from the RIP. But we've also partnered with Focus to do a whole new workflow at the show. It's live, it's on demand, get your picture taken, and we're doing a card game that we are
Oh,
printing,
yeah. I've seen that.
we are embellishing, laminating, and then cutting in the booth.
Let me ask you another question. You have this really sophisticated router.
Yes,
All right, so what is it, like a 1.8 kilowatt?
1.8 kilowatt, liquid cooled,
Liquid cooled.
pneumatic chuck.
Yeah, I
Yes.
know it was liquid cooled because I build my own computers, right? And I'm like, hey, that's liquid cooled. I know what liquid cooled looks like. All right, so that's really a very powerful router.
It is. It is. For the sign industry, it's the perfect size.
If I want this right now, are they available?
The machines are in stock,
In stock,
in Texas,
in Texas,
ready to ship.
ready to ship.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to hear, my friend.
All right.
Thank you very
See
much for
you.
your time.
Thank you, sir.
It's wonderful to talk to you.